Hi, welcome to this tutorial on agent relationship management within the ResRequest system. Let's look at the functionality that's available to you to use and build and manage that relationship with all of your agents. In this tutorial, we'll be looking specifically at events and sales profile. Let's have a look where that's built in the system. Let's go to Administration, Setup, Code, Contacts. There we go. Events and sales profile. Let's do the events first. Now here we've recorded typical events that can happen between you and any agent office. Allocations, annual office party, breakfast meeting, lunch meeting, on-site meeting, sporting events, a travel show perhaps, and the list can be expanded on simply by adding in the details as shown here now, and that will then be added to this list for selection when you next update your interaction with your agents. Let's go and have a look now at the second area, the sales profile. Let's go back up, Administration, Setup, Code, Contacts, and sales profile. And here we've set up under each of these areas various criteria that can be selected to build the profile of that particular firm. Let's have a look how that happens. In the case of marketing, region focus is at East Africa, Southern Africa, USA, etc. So under each of these areas we've added different lists of items that can be selected to the profile of that particular firm. Office representation, where do they have offices? Who's the management team in that office? And you can notice that as we're building this, the option is available to you to have a drop-down box or a text area, etc. Market players, are they new? Are they established? So in this particular area, we will build the content that will make up the profile of the agent. Let's have a look, once having built this, how can we apply this to the agent's record? The information that we would have set up would apply to an agent, so let's go there, contact, and we'll just select the agents. We could have searched obviously for a particular agent that you'd interacted with. Let's assume that it was on the first agent, Azure Blue, and here we will see two particular areas, sales profile and CRM events. And based on the information that we set up in the administration area of the system, we'll now be able to access that for this particular agent. Let's have a look. Sales profile, there we go. And these are the different areas that we decided we'd like to build. So in this particular case, let's go and fill that in. Originated from, and we can perhaps say wherever the agent might have internal representative, which properties do they deal in with you, and where is their marketing region focus, and what is their client sales focus, maybe packages, honeymoons, corporates, etc. And going through these, you can then build a profile for that particular agent that you are dealing with. We'll then save that record. That is the profile side of assisting you with the marketing, meaning that anybody can quickly come here and get an up-to-date picture of that agent's profile in relation to your business. Let's have a look quickly at the CRM events now. And a Salesforce would be calling on the office, and that could be all over the world in different countries where that particular agent might have properties or representation, and they would want to record that event. Now, we built the events under administration. Let's go now, and within the agent record, let's go add an event. What date will the event be happening? Let's assume it's something that happened today. What was the event description? Let's say we had a lunch meeting, and we might here just want to put details down that we spoke about. And we could then say find who was the representative at the firm. Obviously, if it was not Jack Black, we could add the other person on the contact. Over here on the fly, let's assume it was Jack Black. What was the duration? And completed, not yet. We've still got to give them the new rates. Let's save that. And we've now saved a record for a particular day where we had a lunch meeting and we need new rates for 2015. The updating of these events on agent records is an ongoing exercise, and view this information either on a historical basis or forward planning basis can be easily done through a report. Let's now go to that report. Contacts, Report, CRM Custom. Using this report, we can now get a customized report with all those events listed. Let's have a look at that. We've set up a profiled report and it's called Agent Events for 2014. Generate that to give you an example of what can be done. Obviously, the content of this can be customized further to your specific requirements. If we then wanted to add another event, we would simply select that agent, or alternatively click there. Should we need to email, simply select and send an email. Preloaded, and we can now just add in the information here. We hope you found this tutorial on agent relationship management in respect of events, sales profile, and then CRM custom reports useful.